time, we have a different shape, don't we? But we are going to do exactly the same sort of things, but we're going to do it with the shape that we have on our paper. All right, if you still have not found Graph Practice 1, then you're going to have to just stop looking for a minute and draw this on a regular piece of paper or something. All right, so we're going to graph number 1. All right, now tell me, what does this do? Now, just slow down, take a breath. It's going to do something to the shape. What's it going to do?
The width is going to...
Exactly. This is going to multiply the width times 2. Now, what does that mean? That means that that first triangle I see right here, the triangle that's right here, on the paper, how wide is that triangle? On the paper, 1, 2, 3, 4 wide.
Yep.
So now it's going to be 8 wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's going to be 8 wide. Probably have to carry over onto something here. And how about its height?
3.
Yep, the height isn't changing. It's still going to be 3. All right, now people always say, well, Miss Ford, how'd you know to put that dot up there? Well, if the thing is 8 wide, how far over are we going to put the vertex dot? 4. So that's how I need to put it there. Now, do you see the baby triangle coming down? How wide is he?
4. 2.
Well, he's 2 in the original, so he's going to be 4. And he only goes down 1, so he's going to look like that. Now, what about on the other side? How wide is our trapezoid on the other side?
4.
4. So he's going to be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He's going to be 8. So, still down 1. Oh, whoa, how did I do that? There we go. There's my trapezoid, now 8 spaces wide. All right, we'll get as many of these done today as we can. That was A. Here's B. All right, tell me what's going on here. Before we do it, let's write down up at the top there. What are we going to do to this picture? Flip it which way? Upside down. So it's going upside down. And then what?
Up 1.
Up 1. So it's going to be upside down. It's going to have the exact same picture, but it's going to be upside down. And it's going to be moved up 1. So I can't do that all at once, so I'm going to tip it upside down first. And I'll do it in a dashed line. All right, so there's my upside down. Is that okay with everybody? Upside down? Now you said I'm going to pick it up 1 unit. So here I go, up 1 unit. Everything up 1. And purple is my answer. You okay?
Yep.
All right. Part 3. Try to squeeze this in here. What happens on this one? What? Left one. That's all you're doing. You're not doing anything but picking up the picture and drawing it 1 unit to the left. So that triangle, instead of being over 2 and up 3, it's going to be over 2 and up 1. So there's your triangle. Left 1. Here comes my trapezoid. Left 1. And here's my baby triangle. Left 1. Any question about that so far? First 3, everybody good with? All right, what happens on this one? Number 4.
This one where it's like just the right side.
No, that would be absolute value. What does the negative on the x do? Moves you sideways, right? Flips you sideways. Luke, could you just have your phone out? Luke? What's in your, what's in that pocket right there? That pocket.
I didn't have that.
All right, here we go. This flips it sideways, so I'm going to write that down to remind myself. Flip sideways. So that means that my triangle, big triangle that was on the right, is now going to be on the left. It's the same size, same height, same width, but now it's on this side. And so is my baby triangle. And my trapezoid is now over here. Wait a minute, I make that one. There's my trapezoid. So this problem, which is problem 4, simply takes the original picture and flips it sideways. All right, let's see if we can get this side done. 5 says this. All right, who remembers what that does? It's the absolute value of the whole problem. So what does that do?
Push it above the X.
Yep, makes it above the x-axis. So whatever was already there is going to stay there. So that triangle is going to stay there. But see this little guy? He's going to come up. And so is your trapezoid. There is the picture. Now, compare that to 6. Now this is a different absolute value, right? It's in a different place. So what does this absolute value do? 2-step process. What do I do? Draw the right side exactly as it is. There we go. That didn't change anything. Draw it exactly as it is. And then what? Mirror it on the other side. Yes, that's a great word. Mirror it on the other side. There you go. All right, and then one more, and you can leave, okay? One more. What is this going to look like? What is that going to look like?
Down one.
It's going to look exactly like the last one, except down one. So, I'm on the board, so I get to do this. You're going to draw that one, and then you're going to drop everything down 1 point. 1 point. So the purple is the answer to this one. Now, again, I have no idea how much time we're going to have to finish this page. So if you want to just go, excuse me, we're going to go ahead and do them on your own. That will be due when home.